Building Condition Assessment, or BCA. A building condition assessment is an inspection, review, and report on the state of a building's structure and systems. A BCA starts with a detailed inspection of the building's structural components, such as walls and floors, systems like plumbing and HVAC, and more. Following the inspection, a report is provided to the potential buyer or owner. The report may include items of concern, recommendations for repairs, or further inspections and expected costs to fix the concerns. A building condition assessment enables buyers to forecast their costs and ensure appropriate maintenance is completed. At Equiton, our acquisitions team obtains a building condition assessment for every property we acquire during the due diligence phase. This helps us ensure we understand what needs to be done to create an excellent living environment for our residents and a sound investment opportunity for our clients.